Need to back up or share iPhone notes on your computer? In this video, we'll show you 4 quick ways to transfer your notes easily. Let's dive in. Option 1. How to transfer notes from iPhone to computer with Assistant for iOS Ultimate. When transferring notes from iPhone to PC, you want it to be compatible, fast, and safe. After testing various apps, I recommend Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It transfers notes to PC or Mac with just one click. Step 1. Install and start Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Then connect your iPhone to the computer via USB cord. Tap Trust to credit this computer from your mobile and hit Continue to move ahead. Then, you can see the main interface of the program like below. Step 2. Choose Notes tab from the left sidebar, and the program will start. To scan your iPhone to find all notes saved in your iPhone. All scan out notes will be displayed on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Tick off the notes that you need and click the option of Export from the top menu to save these selected notes to computer. Option 2. How to transfer notes from iPhone to Mac or PC with email. Open the Notes app. Select a note and tap the upload icon. Choose Mail, fill in the details, and tap Send. On your computer, sign into your email, then copy or download the note. Option 3. How to export notes from iPhone to computer with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to iTunes, go to Info, select Sync Notes with, and choose Outlook. Sync, then copy notes from Outlook to your PC. Option 4. How to save notes from iPhone to computer with iCloud. Navigate to Settings, your name, iCloud, on your iPhone and sign in the iCloud with your Apple ID. Here, tap Notes to on and all notes on your iPhone will be uploaded to the cloud service. Visit www.icloud.com from your computer and log in using the same Apple ID and password. Select Notes to preview all iPhone notes and then copy the note details to get them to PC. Bonus tip: how to transfer notes from iPhone to iPhone iPad. If you're looking for a way to transfer notes directly from your iPhone to another iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, then you don't need to look elsewhere for answers, because Mobikin Transfer for Mobile is the perfect solution. Follow these steps to transfer notes from iPhone to iPhone iPad. Install Transfer for Mobile on your computer, connect both iOS devices via USB, and launch the program. Select Notes and click Start Copy to transfer.